What's going on, everybody? This here is a bona fide dummy-proof, idiot-proof, tempered glass installation kit, so I feel like this was specifically made for me. This is from SmartDevil. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video. It comes with an installation kit that you literally just have to slap on top of the phone like a case and you're done. I'll show that here in a sec. So in the box, you get a screen adapter, a bunch of instructions, you get 3 different tempered glass protectors just in case you mess up. And you get cleaning wipes, dry wipes, and dusting stickers. So first we clean the screen, get the dust off, then slap the kit adapter on top of the phone just like a case. Then peel back the plastic and wait about 15 seconds. The bubbles will automatically get pushed out. Then you just take the kit adapter off and that's it. The installation is super simple and super clean, and you still have 2 other tempered glass screen protectors for you to save off. This tempered glass offers great protection from scratches and drops. The glass is ultra smooth with an oleophobic coating. It's only $18.99 at the time of shooting this video, so this is a great price for the amount of tools you get and ease of use. If you're interested, click the link in the bio for more information. And be sure to use code AB2phones at checkout for 25% off your order. Alright, that's it for this video. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it. See you next time.